Hey guys, I'm back. Do you miss me? No? Hello everyone and welcome to Newstone. I'm host Harris and today we got some juicy news. Let's get started. Oh yeah, more leaks! The upcoming Xiaomi Redmi K50 Pro Plus is leaked to feature a periscope zoom camera and a 108 megapixel cameras. Now that's a lot of pixels. As we know, the Redmi K50 lineup is still a big mystery and there's little to no info about it. But hey, according to a new Weibo tipster, we may have some information about the top tier K50 Pro Plus. Yet it seems like Xiaomi is readying a Pro Plus variant of the K50 and core specs are seemingly revealed. From the post, we can expect a powerful Snapdragon 898 chipset inside, paired with a big 5000 mAh battery, and the display is rumored to be curved with a centered hole punch for the selfie camera. And hey, under display fingerprint sensor. For the back, there's a 108 megapixel main camera with a periscope telephoto. But sadly, since it has the Snapdragon 898, it seems like the K50 Pro Plus won't be coming this year and should be releasing early next year. Pretty excited though, and I'm excited for this too, as the brand new PCIe 5.0 power connector is coming real soon and can deliver up to 600 watts for the next gen AMD and Nvidia's GPUs. Unlimited power! As we know, GPUs are getting more and more power hungry, so the need to develop a new power connector arises. Eagers Lab has shared the schematics for a high-power PCIe power connector tailored for PCIe 5.0, which the power connector could debut with the next gen of AMD's and Nvidia's graphics cards. The brand new 12VH PWR power connector consists of 16 pins in total. The new power connector is reportedly built for the PCIe 5.0 graphics card and isn't backward compatible with previous gen graphics cards. This new power connector aims to eliminate usage of multiple PCIe power connectors and decrease cable clutter in the process, which is handy. And in theory, the new power connector is good for up to 662 watts. However, it officially supports up to 600 watts and is confirmed by Avenol ICC. So let's hope it will work just fine. And speaking of fine, this is not. Apple is apparently appealing to Epic's games ruling, even though Apple lastly won the legal battle. Wow, it seems like with potentially billions of dollars and some control over the App Store at stake, Apple has filed for an appeal of the ruling in their major trial against Epic. While yes, Apple lastly won that case with the judge ruling in favor of Apple in 9 out of 10 claims against the company, it did lose in one important claim that the judge found that Apple violated California's anti-steering rules and demanded that Apple let developers link to outside payments. But as part of the appeal, Apple is asking for a stay to prevent the company from having to implement the new anti-steering rules, arguing that it will allow Apple to protect consumers and safeguard its platform. Big words. But yeah, all of the appeals are just screaming, "We love money, please don't do this." Am I right, guys? Well, I guess this is time for speed. Hold on, some Cryptominers has finally bypassed Nvidia LHR limiters by mining 2 coins at once. Apparently, they can bypass Nvidia's mining limiters by splitting power 70 to 30 across 2 different coins. T-Rex is another cryptocurrency mining software that has restored up to 70% of mining performance on GeForce RTX 30 series cards. It also brings a pretty nifty feature that lets users mine up to 2 different cryptocurrencies, so they can use the remaining 30% to mine something else. Cool, but I want to game on those cards. But speaking of game, Rockstar has finally announced not the GTA 6, but the GTA Trilogy Definitive Edition Remaster for consoles, PC, and mobile. Good enough. Rockstar just announced that they'll be releasing the Definitive Edition later this year, which includes GTA 3, Vice City, and San Andreas. It will release on console and PC, including the PS5, PS4, Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, and the Nintendo Switch. And don't worry, as it will come to Android and iOS too. Speaking of coming soon, the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra dummy unit has appeared in hands-on shops. As we know, lots of renders have been floating around recently, but now X-League 7 and Cover Picto have given us a first look at the dummy unit of the Galaxy S22 Ultra in photos and video. As you can see, the overall shape of the device appears to be similar to last year's Note 20 Ultra with a big screen. Other than that, it also features a distinct P-shaped camera bump on the back. Pretty cool, just like this one. As the Samsung Galaxy Watch4 just got another bug-fixing update. Good for you. As we know, the Samsung Galaxy Watch4 series has received quite a few updates since release, but this seems to be the most mundane one, as the changelog is pretty short, which is improved system stability and reliability. That's it. So we don't know what is changed precisely, but I assume some bugs. Kinda weird though. And speaking of weird, Facebook is apparently trying to stop the sale of the Amazon Rainforest land on its marketplace. And yes, you're not dreaming. As you might not know, apparently people can sell lands on Facebook's marketplace feature. And seems like some guy is trying to sell the Amazon forest on it. But good news, Facebook is not going to let that happen as they're changing its commerce policies to explicitly prohibit the sale of protected land on their site. Good move, Mr. Zuckerberg. Based on what I'm seeing right now, the teleprompter is telling me to end the video. So come back on Friday for more juicy tech news like this one and subscribe so you won't miss it. Alright? Peace.